morning good morning อรุณสวัสดิ์บอกมาบางคน
Good morning all students. Teacher going fishing right now. Under the wing. Wait and see what happens later.
Look at Oakland, it's so beautiful. You see it the background? Nothing but graffiti. That's Oakland town. Look, nothing but graffiti. To most of you that are afraid to come to Oakland, you have a right to afraid of Oakland. Nothing but homeless and graffiti. Used to be a beautiful town, city. Now, I don't know what it's called.
Cho một tắc sọ hỏi nè. Stôi đây, stôi tắc. Họ miền liền ấy bong bồn. Tại lẽ con nơi sala rồi nhá, nơi năng từ xa mới bạn pi bảy máu nó kêu ấp sốc. Mới cho nhà con xa nó về từ clear lên. Con xa từ clear lên căng áo thế đó.
ขอบเชื้อบองโพนเอ้ยมาสลมันกรอนดับเพลียงมาทั้งไงอดบานเตาคังนึงอาเทียรกานึงเจอาเทียรกาลังจังไปเทเลโฟนน่ะมือให้เจค่ะเทียรกาแกก็ฮอกเพื่อดำนาเตานามันรุ่ยเด็กเจแล้วไงนี่ก็สกจะตรอมไหมได้ค่ะ
ช่วงเลยตามเท้าไป
จะดาวเท้าเส้นไหนจะโรเมย์เก๋
ngày nay ngày sắp rồi còn lại cái bác nữa nè
Millennium College
cái muốn nâng tay tôi cái trò tay còn lại san tay còn lại bán hai cái stock bán cái tay tôi
That's Lady College right there
mẹ là nó tay tôi trai bán hai bán ta trò tay còn lại cái tay ngon bán á
ở tờ tinh tê cho cái đào lên ok cái năng sen này nè mà nó populi hai nè nó trong chỗ populi he
trong to ba cái đấy ấy
This is downtown Oakland Police Department right here It's on Broadwayอดเมียนการធ្វើនំនៅបើកឡានមក downtown Oakland
cái đó farmer market à
He just want to come and see the farmer market is open Are they coming or not
ទិញបន្លែសិនដល់ខ្ញុំប្រាប់ចឹងមុនតស្ទួយរត់ទិញបន្លែសិនត្រីគេមិនស្ទួយអស់ទេប៉ុន្តែបន្លែđóដែលគេលក់អស់
Half a heart
trong cái ấp bao cái đằng
Nua này nó bắt tao nua bắt swing
thì nói Oakland City bong bò
Look
này phải swing tay cái còn lại liền cho mình cái lỗ này
This is Bat Dambong restaurants right here
này cái lỗ này ta
Okay mà đây hết đây That's farmer market right there
yeah.
We are here and look Teacher is setting up the umbrella and he's trying to tie it to the rocks to see if it could stay. The wind is very strong. We is so bored to be at home yesterday, so another day to be out in the rain. It's okay. Lovely day, right? Have a good day. Thank you. มันមិនអបសក់តែយើងទេបងប្អូនអ្នកហាត់ប្រាណអ្នកបដើឆ្កែគឺថានៅផ្ទះមិនសក់ទេលោកគ្រូលើកដៃមួយ Yeah That's a good answer and look at the wave guy Water's very low tide right now It should come up soon but look at the ugly wave muggy water muggy water ប្រើធ្វើស្អី
Ồ I don't know. Rồi mà chú vào đây. Up.
The storm is here. Can you guys see the shadow over there? You see it near the Golden Gate Bridge? That's the shadow of the rain. It's showered there right now. And the water is low tide. Look at how ugly the water is. I don't have any hope on catching because this water is so muddy. So just listen to the wave. It's very strong. Water is very low. And teacher going mục ngút. Chất si hay. But ha chất chro plieng ban trâu. I'm gonna have to run inside umbrella soon. Look at that rain.
Mount buồn lưng xí à.
Mount buồn lưng dây xí à. Ban ấy xí. Ăn cơm. Sẽ ăn cơm.กินข้าว กินข้าว กินข้าว Cầm sa té. Cầm sa té. Mà nè. Lắng. Mà nè mùi. Sa ra chát. Mà này đào chênh tế. Bị pro ta srauj máu. Cứ cầm sọt hơi. Today teacher gonna stick by me. Because we have the big umbrella. Look at how big the umbrella is. We have to stay in the shade today. And this big umbrella. Mơ sài ạ. Tại chọc mò ấy. Ha. Lọ mơ hai, lọ mơ hai.
Mình đang coi mơ Super Bowl đó, mơ số 3.
Super Bowl.
Coi mơ đón cho nên nè.
Super Bowl 50. I love 50 ประมาณหาย 52 already, I believe. I forgot. Haven't forgot. I think it's 52 already.
Coi mơ Super Bowl ấy nè.
Mơ tật rơ lộ vay máu nè. Đó là mơ plieng với đánh cho khang nó với nhau nọ lực mơ sai plieng ạ.
Chất ôm xa hoa
She say good songs. An hour passed by. No shake. Water is very low. And look at that wave. It's very strong. Sounds so relaxing, huh? Listen to that wave singing. Look at that. I don't know, you guys can hear that. But we moved spot to next to skate restaurants right now. And the other one is the water so murky and the wind is hitting strong on the low tide. So we moved to next one. Not big, but good eat. The wind is too strong. Height there. Teacher got one, I got one now. He dropped it inside of rocks. So let's see how he's gonna take it out. The rain is here. The rain is here. You guys see it? Can you guys hear it? ព្រាមកដល់ហើយព្រាមកដល់ហើយ I hear the rain sounds, the rainstorm. It's pretty heavy. You ask me, am I okay? No, I'm not okay. I'm suffering.